What's happening, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to show you guys how to patch a tire on a car, vehicle, whatever you want to call it. Just a quick patch, because apparently the nails in the sidewall are close to the sidewall and the tire shops won't touch it. They tell her we have to get a new tire. So we're going to go over, get the tire, bring it back. I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple plug on a tire that we can do and basically just make it. Well, so we don't have everything we need. So I gotta run to the store and get what we need, and other than that, we are ready to roll out of here. Just don't forget the jack stand here. Yeah, jack stands are important. Hold up, cars. Anyway, put that in there, and we're pretty much ready to roll. Everybody knows, yeah, the truck wagon does still run. Sound of it never gets hauled up. Alright, so we are out here. Look, we got a screw not in the sidewall. I don't know why they wouldn't replace that. It's not in the sidewall, really. It's right in the tread of the thing. Anyway, we're gonna get this off because it keeps losing pressure every day. Right now it's probably flat as hell. So, tire's home. We're back at the shop, so let's show you guys how to remove all this stuff, and yeah, we'll have fun with that. Let's get the tire in the crush first, so let's do that. The tire's out, so what we're gonna do first is you gotta remove this cap. Take your valve stem remover, stick it in here, unscrew this, but hold on to it because there's still some air in there. We're gonna let all that air out. So let that sit and deflate a little bit. Alright, before the GoPro dies here, we're gonna take the screw out. So if we can, we're gonna take a Phillips head screwdriver and see if this will just remove itself, or not having to pull it out. Let's see. Yeah, it's a screw. Look at that. That sucks. That's a long screw too. Dang! That's a pretty long screw. Alright, so after that's done, we're gonna take this thing called a pick, or a hole fixer maneuver. Anyway, we're gonna push this in here. I'll try to. You can pull it in and out a couple times just to make the hole kind of smooth. And these kits you can buy at like Walmart, or you get them at the auto parts store. They're pretty easy. The kit comes as a complete kit, or you can buy them individually. I bought them as a kit to start with. It does come with the plug adapter, the shredder, and it comes with the plugs itself. I bought extra ones here a minute ago because I didn't know if I had any, but I didn't find them. So I got back from. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open one of these guys. Basically, you pull this guy back. These things are really freaking sticky. So you're gonna pull it out. Grab your tool with the whole thingy. I can't remember what this name's called, but anyway. Stick it in there. The way I usually do with this is I use a pair of pliers, but you can do this by hand, so I'm just demonstrating how you can do this on the side of the road if you're in a pinch. That's why I always have one of these in a car, in case you pick up a nail, whatever you're traveling. So what you're gonna do now is line this up with the hole. Basically, you're gonna push this in. These are gonna fold up like this and go in. You can do a little twist. Just gotta get it in there. So you want it about that far sticking out. You give this quarter turn. That's it. For a minute before I put air in it. I know, don't follow that example of pulling it back out again. So that's what we're gonna do with that. But, oh boy, it'll be a long day. Oh, once you get that done, they didn't film it, but you put the valve stem back in, you fill it full of air, and it should hold. Right now it's sitting about 35 psi where it's supposed to be. So with all this long stuff, you just take your kinners and just, ow. I can probably get some different ones. These ones are dull. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just use a knife. Bum, 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 bum. Just trim up the excess dirt. Stuff's sticky. Throw the excess away. And that's how you plug up a tire. And the shops wouldn't do that. Don't know why. Oh, it's not in the sidewall, but it's holding so far. Got 32 psi in it. So far we're so good. Here, I'll show you guys it's holding air. I checked this about 5 minutes ago. 32. Okay, so that's at 32. Not technically at 35, but 32. I was reading upside down or something, but yeah, we do. We'll just fill up a little bit more. Get 35 in it, and we'll be good to go. Put the tire back on, so so we don't lose these things. We just put them back on there. Alright guys, well that's said and done. So if you guys like that little clip, how to put a plug in a tire so you can get somewhere safely to get things taken care of, that's the way to do it, versus calling tow truck and getting it back on the road. But anyway, if you have that capability of doing it, if not, roadside assistance will help you on your towing if you got it. Other than that, subscribe for more, like it, comment, share it, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you guys next one. Bye.